We're walking the Continental Divide Trail. We're currently about halfway through and about 50 miles from the border of Wyoming.
We decided upon this trail because we wanted a challenge. We wanted the emotional, physical and mental challenge that comes with doing a trail like this. We're out in the wilderness, we're exposed to the elements, we're away from our comfort zones and we're away from civilization. This truly does make it one of the hardest and most epic through hikes in the world. This gave us a great opportunity to raise some money for charity.
The highlights so far have been the scenery. We've been through some stunning places. We've been through Rocky Mountain National Park, which was amazing. My personal favourite was the Gila River Wilderness in New Mexico. And this mountain chain just makes for some of the most remote, the most wild and scenic places you'll find in the whole of North America.